You asked how to divide 1,350 by 6 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 13. 13 divided by 6 equals 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. 13 minus 12 equals 1. Bring down 5, making 15. 15 divided by 6 equals 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. 15 minus 12 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 minus 30 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 225.